my dear fellow citizens of Arunachal. Greetings on the occasion of 74th Independence Day. While remembering and paying rich tribute to our great freedom fighters, I would like to state that we are committed to the successful implementation of our programs and policies to accelerate progress in key sectors and transforming Arunachal Pradesh into a welfare state. I take this moment to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the frontline workers for their hard work and dedication in fighting this COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Their untiring service to the people of the state will be remembered for generations even after we win this battle against Corona. Our country, under the able and decisive leader of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, has successfully managed the spread of this virus since its emergence. Our state has also been very proactive in handling the COVID-19 situation. The state government utilized the lockdown time to focus on strengthening our health infrastructure. As the workload on Trins Naharlagan was increasing, we decided to convert the newly constructed MLA apartment at Itanagar into a new COVID hospital, which has started functioning from August 11. Today, we are well equipped with RT-PCR, TrueNet and rapid antigen testing spread throughout the state. We rank at 6th number in India for testing rate per million population. We have approved upgradation of all district hospitals and strengthening manpower in health sector. We are confident that by August 2022, when we will be celebrating 75th anniversary of our independence, we would be proudly hosting a better health infrastructure. We need to understand that our battle against COVID-19 is a continuous process. Today, the new normal is washing and sanitizing your hand frequently, wearing masks and social distancing to prevent infection and transmission of COVID-19. I sincerely appeal and urge upon the citizens to come forward and cooperate with the state government in this direction to make Arunachal Pradesh a COVID-19 free state. The pandemic has taught us another lesson, to be Atmanirbhar or self-reliant. Honorable Prime Minister push for Atmanirbhar has potential to usher a revolution in our state. It's time for us to revive our local industries, time to reorient our policies. We shall have to explore all possible efforts to maximize our local products to promote vocal for local. In this direction, we have already decided to extend purchase preference to local artisans and handicraft units in government procurements. We will strengthen our craft centers and provide training to artisans for making high-end products, which can be sold in all government offices. Our government has taken up two ambitious schemes this year in the form of Nutritional Kitchen Garden Scheme and Agriculture Horticulture Farm Cluster Scheme. We have tied up with National Seed Corporation to provide high-end and quality seeds to 140,000 families to develop kitchen garden. Under the Farm Cluster Scheme, we have selected clusters in each district having an area of at least 5 hectares up to 100 hectares with focused crops for cultivation covering almost 4,000 hectares of land. I appeal all to make optimum use of this Atmanirbhar scheme and take a step ahead towards making Arunachal an organic state. To further support our business community, automatic and zero-cost renewals of statutory license, including trading license, have been approved till 31st December 2020. I believe that Arunachal Pradesh is on the threshold of a crucial juncture today, and we have to march forward with unflinching determination to make our beautiful state one of the most prosperous in the country. With your support and cooperation, we will strive to make Arunachal Pradesh a model state in terms of social security, peace, harmony, education, healthcare, etc. Let us all join hands to make Team Arunachal stronger and tread on the new path with hopes and promises apparently. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal.